Hi, here it is raining in beautiful downtown Fairbanks. It's raining. It's raining in beautiful downtown Fairbanks. Outside and inside the motorhome. Look at this wet here. You can see the drop. You can see it dripping and dripping. Well, it's raining again, and now we have a new leak to look at. This is at the main window by the dinette table. You can see the gradual darkening of the paper, the slow leak. And while we're looking at this, you can see some of the other snags of poor quality here.